मित्रांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त गुण मिळविण्यासाठी सततचा सराव खूपच महत्त्वाचा असतो. आम्ही बनविलेले व्हिडिओज जर आपण पुन्हा पुन्हा पाहिले व शेवटपर्यंत पाहिले तर नक्कीच त्याचा खूप फायदा होईल. आपण टॉप स्कोरर बनाल, कारण प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.
Dear students, now learn the question answers of lesson number 5, Education. Question number 1. Choose the right option and rewrite the sentence. 1. The scientist who developed the Param 8000 supercomputer. Options are Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, Dr. R.H. Dave, P. Parthasarathi, none of the above. Answer: Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, the scientist who developed the Param 8000 supercomputer, Dr. Vijay Bhatkar. 2. The magazine Jeevan Shikshan is published by the following institute: Bal Bharati, Education Commission University, MSCERT. Answer: MSCERT. The magazine Jeevan Shikshan is published by the following institute: MSCERT. 3. The educational institution called IIT is famous for education in the area of agriculture, medicine, skilled managers, engineering. Answer: engineering. The educational institution called IIT is famous for education in the area of engineering. Question 2. Do as directed. 1. Complete the table below with details about individuals in the education field and their work. Individual and work. Individual is here Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Work: First Education Minister of India. Individual is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Work: Chairman of University Education Commission. Individual is Professor Syed Raf. Work is preparing draft of a common statewide curriculum for standard 1st to 7th. Individual here is Anutai Wagh, and the work is Kosbagh project. 2. Obtain information about the National Council of Educational Research and Training from the internet and present it in the form of timeline. So in the timeline years are given there, so we will go by year. So in 1948 University Education Commission was appointed. 1952 Mudliar Commission was appointed. 1964 Kothari Commission was appointed. 1974 Parthasarathi Committee was constituted. 1985 Indira Gandhi Open University was established. And in 1989 Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Mukt Vidyapit was established. Question number 3. Explain the following statements giving reasons for your answer. 1. The district primary education program was undertaken. Answer. 1. The first census of independent India in 1951 revealed the extreme complexity and intractability of the educational issues in the country. In the first census, the literacy level was 17%. 2. Improving this percentage was a serious challenge for the government of India. 3. Several remedial schemes were needed to put in place to deal with it. Therefore, the district primary education program was undertaken. 2. The NCERT was established. Answer. Government wanted to set up a better school education system in India. 1. To help the central government in matters of school education in the context of a comprehensive policy and in implementing educational schemes. 2. To hand over the responsibility of educational research and development, training, extension, educational programs, reconstructing of school curriculum and textbooks. 3. To design school curricula and textbooks and with the cooperation of the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE. 4. To guide and cooperate in the area of primary and secondary education to the state governments, the NCERT was established. 3. The farmers were benefited by the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Answer. 1. The Indian Agricultural Research Institute was given the status of a university in 1958. 2. Work began in departments like agriculture sector, research, well-equipped laboratories, soil science, agricultural sciences, economic botany and other departments. 3. Research also began on wheat, pulses, oilseeds, vegetables and many other problems. 4. Research also began on the methods of taking multiple crops in a year. All these things benefited the farmers to yield good crops. In this way, the farmers were benefited by the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Question number 4. Write notes. 1. Indira Gandhi National Open University. Answer. 1. This Open University was established with the objective that the stream of education should make its way into every average household of the country. 2. In 1990, the IGNOU, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University, started an audio-visual distance education program through Akashvani and Doordarshan. 3. Those who are unable to get a college education in the formal way are given concessions in eligibility criteria, age and other conditions for admission to the university. 4. It provides facilities for education through 58 training centers in the country and 41 centers in foreign countries. 2. Kothari Commission. Answer. 1. Dr. J.P. Naik made valuable contributions to the work of this commission. 2. The commission also recommended the 10+2+3 pattern for secondary, higher secondary and university education. 3. It suggested a uniform national system of education The inclusion of the mother tongue Hindi and English in education, as well as continuing education, adult education, increased provision in the government's budget for expenditure on education of neglected sections like the scheduled castes and tribes. 4. Maharashtra government adopted the 10+2+3 pattern in 1972 and conducted the first standard 10th board exam in 1975. 3. Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Answer 1. Bhabha Atomic Research Center played a major role in conducting this nuclear test. 2. Dr. Raja Ramanna, Director of the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi took the decision of carrying out a nuclear explosion. 3. This institute has conducted valuable research in the fields of nuclear physics, solid state physics, spectroscopy, chemical and life sciences. It also started a school to train scientists for setting up nuclear reactors. Nuclear tests are taken far away from human settlement. Four. Bal Bharati. Answer 1. The Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research, Bal Bharati, was established in Pune on 27 January 1967. 2. Bal Bharati prepares textbooks for school children. Textbooks are made in 8 languages, namely Marathi, Hindi, English, Urdu, Kannada, Sindhi, Gujarati, Telugu. 3. Kishore, a monthly magazine for children, is also published by Bal Bharati. Question 5. Answer the following questions in detail. 1. Which programs were included in Operation Blackboard scheme? Answer. The programs were included such as 1. In 1988, the central government started a scheme for the spread of primary education and to improve educational standards. It is known as Operation Blackboard. 2. The government made funds available to help improve the standard of the schools and to fulfill minimum educational needs such as at least 2 proper classrooms, toilets, one of the 2 teachers to be female, a blackboard, maps, laboratory apparatus, a small library, a playground, sports, equipment, etc. 3. This scheme helped the primary education system to gain some momentum. 2. What role do the agriculture schools, colleges play in the development of agriculture? Answer. 1. In India, research in agriculture had begun as early as 1905. The Indian Agricultural Research Institute was given the status of university in 1958. 2. It plays a role in developing the agriculture sector research, well-equipped laboratories, soil science, agricultural sciences, economic, botany and other departments. 3. As the research also began on wheat, pulses, oilseeds, vegetables and many other problems, its most significant achievement in the fundamental research it has conducted on the methods of taking multiple crops in a year, which has been of great benefit to farmers. 3. Describe with examples the progress that India has made in the field of medicine. Answer. 1. Institutes have the responsibility of conducting research on various diseases, developing tests and standardization of medicines, 2. It made in progress in, for example, it has established special colleges for training in nursing and super specialty centers for treatment of disorders of the heart, brain and eyes. 3. The Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer is a branch of the Tata Memorial Center. It functions as the National Center for Treatment, Research and Education in relation to cancer. 4. Write a note on the curricular and co-curricular activities conducted in your school. Answer. There are many curricular and co-curricular activities conducted in our school, such as co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities might include National Honor Society, Student Council, school sports teams, math clubs, chess clubs, talent shows, spelling bees, writing competitions, debates, mock trials, school newspapers and drama productions. Now in curricular activities. These are activities which are suggested in the prescribed syllabus of the school or a university. The activities like completing projects, visiting a place, observation, experiments, etc. come under curricular activities. Can we achieve this? 1. In 1991, Kerala became a fully literate state. What steps must be taken to achieve 100% literacy in Maharashtra as well? Answer. 1. The lower literacy rates in Maharashtra is due to the poverty and ignorance. If both of these situations are reduced, there will be a significant increase in literacy rate. 2. The 100% literacy rate can be achieved by making education free up to 10th grade. 3. Sessions for the people in villages to understand how education plays an important role in our life. 4. The government must have been avail scholarships for younger minds to come from the situation of poverty. 5. Public awareness campaigns must be taken to educate people. Find out. 1. The Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Mukta Vidyapit was established in Nashik in 1989. Find out about this open university with the help of the internet. Answer. Students can search on their own using internet. 1. The Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University YCMOU was established in July 1989 by Act XX 1989 of the Maharashtra State Legislature. 2. It is the fifth open university in the country. The main aim of the YCMOU is to become a mass varsity and to make available to the common man educational programs that are of practical use in his day-to-day life and those that provide better prospects for the future. 3. The university offers several offline programs and has also embarked on a number of innovative online initiatives. 4. The YCMOU has its headquarters at Nashik and provides support to its learners through study centers which are spread all over the state of Maharashtra.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राइब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.